Idun-una panawin, a misunderstanding led the Snugs to see the Tikbalangs as threats, causing them to set the forest, the home of the beasts, on fire. To retaliate, the Tikbalangs abducted young women, prompting the Snugs to embark on a mission to secure the golden hair of the Tikbalang king for their freedom. In the rich landscape of Carasi, the Snugs coexisted peacefully with nature and the mystical Tikbalangs. The Tikbalangs served as forest guardians, but the Snugs misunderstood their playful behavior, believing it to be harmful. Fearing the Tikbalangs, the Snugs decided to burn their forests to drive them away. This action angered the Tikbalangs, leading them to strike back by abducting the young women of the community. In their desperation, the men of the community sought guidance from their shaman, discovering that obtaining the golden hair of the king of Tikbalang could calm the creatures. With the blessings of their ancestral spirits, the Snugs men journeyed into the Tikbalang realm, engaged in a battle for the golden hair, and emerged victorious. In reconciliation, the Tikbalangs returned the young women and gifted the Snug men a golden seedling as a golden symbol of renewal. The Snugs men planted the seedling in the scarred forests, nurturing the land back to life. As the golden seedling grew, it became a living emblem of the revived bond between the Snugs and Tikbalangs. The communities thrived, learning lessons of reconciliation and fostering lasting peace. Raemem dagiti asarsarita atawid tayo. The Magdadaran Talip Festival of Carasi.
Carasi.